Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial you are going to learn how to automatically turn on and off your VM instances. So VM instances are nothing, they are just some virtual machine instances which are virtualized computing environments provided by Google services providers like GCP. So you can say these instances mimic physically computers but are created and managed entirely in software, enabling users to deploy and run applications without the need to manage physical hardware. Okay, and for the cost saving perspective, you want to turn on them and once they are required for the using purpose. VM instances can be integrated with various cloud services and features provided by the cloud providers. For example, storage, database, networking, monitoring, logging, and security services. And another thing, VM instances are widely used for a variety of use cases, including web hosting, application development and testing, data processing, machine learning, big data analytics, content delivery, and more. So, yeah, so in VM side, in GCP side, they are providing instance scheduler to turn on and turn off your instances. So first of all, we are going to create a VM instance. So let's go to our infra in the compute engine. You can see there is a virtual machines and you can select virtual instance. So uh, okay, so here to create VM instances, this compute engine API should be enable. So I'm going to enable it. It will take some time to enable it, and this is the default service you can use to turn on and off your instances, but you can use the cloud function to turn off your instance and turn on them. Okay, so right now we are going to use instance scheduler to turn on and off automatically your cloud VM instances. Okay, now here we are going to see that instances, observability and instance schedulers. So first of all, we need to create some instance. Let's do it. So first of all, this is the instance name. So we are going to name it is demo 2024. Okay, and this is the region where it is going to be built. So we are going to use Las Vegas, or because I am from India, so I am going to choose east from, yeah, South Mumbai, and that is our zone, India South 1C zone. Okay, now you can see new storage optimized machine series in preview, so we are not going to use it, and this is the general purpose compute optimized and memory optimized, storage optimized and GPU, but in our case we are going to utilize only a general purpose. And here you can see the cost as well. Okay, so here, so we are going to choose E2 low cost, and this is the based on the availability for this demo purpose. And this is the preset uh, uh, configuration you can take, and you can customize it as per your requirement. For but for in this demo we are going to use this as is, like this. So I'm going to use E2 micro, and this is the availability policy standard. You can see sport, so we are going to use standard. And device display device enable to use screen capture and recording tools. Okay, so we are not enabling it. Confidential VM services, if you want to enable it, then you can. And container, so deploy a container image in this VM machine if you want to, uh, if you want a container. And this is the boot disk. So this is the name of our disk, and the type is new balance persistent disk, size 10 GB, license type free. If you want to change it image, you can change it. For in this demo we are going to choose it as a Ubuntu. Okay, and okay, going to select it. Now allow access port, allow HTTP traffics, or allow HTTPS traffics. Allow, I am going to allow all the of three. And then in the advanced option, you can check networking, disk security and management, and solve tenancy. But and then we are going to create it. Okay, now we are going to create our instance. It will take some time. Okay, the same time we are going to create a instance schedules. Okay, so here we are going to create a instance schedule. So here first of all we are going to just wait it. Okay, and then here now you can see, if you see your instance, so you can see all the configurations, like the basic informations, instance ID, descriptions, type, running, and the zone, instance template none, reservation, labels, kind of stuff. If you want to add any label, you can add it here. Okay, now go back to the instance schedules. Okay, in the instance schedule you can see there is a create schedule. It is you are going to click on this create schedule. We are going to create instance demo scheduler 2024, like this. Copy this, and we are going to choose the same region, that was Mumbai. We are going to search Mumbai, and the start time. So here you can put the start time. So I am going to put it as a 12:05. Okay, and the stop time, that is 04:30, or we are going to like this 00. Okay, so and you are going to select your time zone. So I am going to select India, that is Mumbai. Okay, Kolkata. And if you want to set initiate date, okay, you can choose it from this date. For my case, I am going to choose it at 10. Okay, and okay, and then end date should be anyone, you can leave it as blank, and then okay, close. And there is another option, that is frequency. So in the frequency you can see it, if you want to turn on and off on a daily basis, you can do this. Repeat weekly. In a week it is going to be just execute. In this case you have to choose any specific day. And same for the month. In a month, if you want to uh, set the scheduler for any specific days only, you can do that. But in this demo we are going to choose on a daily. Okay, and click on submit button. Okay, now here you can see that we have a instance schedules. Let's wait. Here you can see. Okay, now you want to add your instances. So here you are going to add your instance scheduler like this. Click on add button. Okay, so here you can see it is asking for start and stop permissions. Okay, so we need to add these roles into this account. So just copy this and go to the IAM roles, and here I am going to check include Google providers and then paste it. Okay, so here give me a minute. This is the same, yep, this is the same service account. And give me a minute. Okay, so I'm going to refresh this page. So here I'm going to choose this account, that is services, this compute system IAM role. So here I need to select this one, and then I can check this, that is services. Okay, okay, okay. Now we want to add this role over here. So here we need to create a role for this. So in this we are going to create some roles inside this. Okay, so we are not going to assign this role direct to this service account. So first of all we need to create some roles. So create role. So here what we are going to do, we are going to create a on turn on and off role. So this is the name of our custom role. So instance on off role. Okay, and this is the custom role and alpha. So we are going to choose general availability. Okay, and if you need permissions, so we are going to add any permission over here. Okay, so here we are going to add some permissions. Okay, here we are going to add permissions. So one permission was start, so that is VM instance. Okay, so the permission name was yep, so this permission was compute instance start. Copy this and paste here. Okay, there are two filters. So we are going to add permissions like start. So here uh, control V instance start, click on OK, and the same we are going to add another permission stop. Okay, now you can see we have added this permission to this, and then click on create, and this is the name of instance on and off roles, you can see. Now going back to your service account here, so this is the name of our service role. Yep. So we are going to refresh this page again, and click on include Google provide role granted. So this is the name of our role. Give me a minute. Service, this compute system IAM role. Where is it? Yep. Compute system IAM role. Okay, so here we are going to pass add this custom role, that is custom, and we are going to add this. I click on save button. Okay, now policy is updated. Now going back to our instance scheduler details, add here, and we are going to choose this and add it. Okay, right. So now this scheduler is attached with our VM instance. If you want to see the logs, so here you can see, you can check your instances over here like this. Okay, so guys, you can see it is very easy, okay, to set up a VM in GCP side, and you can attach instance scheduler schedules to turn on and off your VM machines. Please like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching us.